Yo, flathead.
Process these.
Here, I can use mine. Oh, yours is good.
We always go in millimeters, so 32 centimeters is 320. So high ollie 326 will be how we do this.
I'm good with holding them.
All right.
Anyone want pictures while we have it? Nice one. Yeah. Man, I love catfish. Little tiny catfish. Yeah.
I want to be surprised. We'll see.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. There was another one that was slightly larger.
We were getting a whole lot the other day.
But yeah, we got.
We're at Junction City.
This one.
Ogden.
Oh no, that's. Oh wait, yeah, it is a channel. Never mind. Wait, no, it's not. That's not a channel.
The stonecat?
Yeah, look. If I can get it. Where'd you go, buddy?
Stung by.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
There we go, look at that.
Yeah, that's a stonecat.
Wait. Is that a yellow bullhead? It has a little white on the...
No.
Okay.
It's got an adipose and it is connected, so that is a stonecat.
Okay. That's cool.
It's like a little species of madcom.
That's awesome.
Get very big.
So that's one of the other catfish species.
Yeah.
Maybe the biggest they'll get is this big.
Yeah.
Freaking love them. Alright. Ian, do you want to give me another one of these vials? Probably that one back in that.
Or no, great. Flathead bait.
Yes.
As long as the flathead will eat small catfish.
We're gonna jinx it by doing this. Alright, do you want to start pumping again?
Flathead?
I can do it.
Yeah, that's okay. Flathead.
Good.
This one's bigger.
Yeah, it is.
Let's see what else we got in here. I know we got some good stuff.
390.
This one is... Can't get a hold of them. Wait, what do we have here?
River carpsucker. It's actually one of the sucker catstomidaes.
Okay.
It might be a cool back. Okay, ready when you are. Honestly, double check on it. Yeah. Alright, if you just want to put this one back. Yeah.
Is it dead now? Or is it...
No, it'll probably survive for a while.
Sorry, really tough.
It'll just have to heal up, unfortunately. Okay, now we can do all the small species stuff. Yeah, do you mind putting... Ready, Kate? Yeah. Alright. Car 85.
Two little channels.
If you want to just start putting fish feed
On here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are channel catfish, big potatus. Big pond.
This guy does not like...
97. Big pond.
Oh, what is this guy?
69. Sucker mouth minnow. Oh. We'll put it as car, but it might honestly be a cool dog.
Car, you said?
Yeah, car.
Look at that guy.
160. So even though they're called sucker mouths, they're actually a minnow species. Inocoius marcellus, femur, PHEMIR, and they're just really fusiform. You can just tell they can just slide through the water, and they're really fast. Femur. 93.
Okay. Yeah. Here.
107.
Oh, it's this guy. Well, that's the same one.
Oh, that's the
stonecat, yeah.
Kate,
Let's see.
you're the pro. The stonecat, Kate, 101. So yes, please take photos of that. I would like to see photos of that later. This is a bullhead minnow. They're actually invasive. Pimephales vigulax, Pim Vig 54. Y'all want to look at that? Okay, this is a ciplet. This is a red shiner, probably the most abundant fish in the system. This is a 35. This is a pretty small one, but if y'all want to take a look at that. Alright, yeah. Notchstra 52. Nice sand shiners.
We got another one of those. Yeah.
Notchstra 54.
What was that one? Is you? Yeah, this one. Let me know if you see it.
Oh, right here, right here.
No.
Right here, right here, right here. Got it, got it.
Yo.
Behind you. Yeah, I got it.
We got a flathead and then a carp of some sort. Where? There, could you put those in? Yo.
We got more data feed.
Do
2.
Oh, so
Leave that in there.
Sharp
Leave that in
scales.
there.
Oh.
Don't drop it.
Just wanted to look at it.
cigar.
Got those sharp scales.
I think it's
Huh?
a long nose.
Yeah, long nose.
Yeah.
Y'all set
Can I hold that one before you release it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a nice one.
Or, yeah, let's do it over here.
Yeah, for the meat. For the meat.
Alright.
I want to hold both of those before you release them, if that's okay.
So I think nipple is pullback. So
Got another one of these guys, flathead.
Ethan?
Can I start holding the catfish?
Yeah, you want to hold them? Try and get the like this around the fin spine so it doesn't stab you. Kinda
Like the pectoral?
yeah, like this. Just don't let that or
Okay.
that or that stab you. But yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, hold on. Gotta reposition.
Leposs, L-E-P-O-S-S.
That's a nice one.
502.
Nice one.
Alright, let's get set up the pump real quick.
I can put this guy back. Oh yeah, I want that after you're done, if that's okay.
And we'll do that
Nice one. We'll put him back, and then
Water flowing through there.
Did my friend swim all?
Oh, I got it. Over here, Kate.
Oh.
yeah, we release this guy. He's hopefully doing okay. That is nice coloration on this tail. Oh yeah.
I'll get this car.
These are the last.
Nice.
Car 106.
Got something in there.
Put a
Here, Kate.
Big old obelisk on it.
on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Thank you very much, Ethan. You're doing a great job.
No. Can someone get that? Don't think so.
I didn't see any. Alright, let's start some fish ID. Yeah, we're here.
Got one, okay. Oh. That's a new one. Oh wait, maybe not. And yeah, I want to hold that one before you release it too.
Anybody tell me what this is?
Is that smallmouth buffalo?
Ethan, if you want to
Oh, I don't have to see it yet.
Before you release that guy, I want to hold him.
Get your net. Let's put it in your
Oh,
net.
okay. That works.
Put it in the water.
Yeah.
You got that data sheet good? Okay, let's see how big this thing is.
I also want to hold the flathead again. It's okay, we measured it.